Hello everyone, another problem using C++ in the course of C++ in SoloLearn, dependent of pointers and arrays, the problem called average age. Let's go to solve this problem. This is a problem and this is a code which you will modify to create the project or the problem solving. The given code declares an array called age. So we are using here the concept of the arrays and pointers, which stores the age of all employees of a company, and the code also includes a for loop that outputs the array. التاسك هنا modify the code to calculate the output to calculate and output the average age of the employees. You don't need to output the array itself. وهنا مديك هنت ان الافرج عباره عن اللي هو summation divided by the total number of employees. طبعا هنا he is outputting the array itself. It did not need this. It doesn't need this, but he needs the average of these ages of the employees. So this array includes the age of the all employees, and here we have the size of which is 63 employee. So here we include another variable which is summation, sum, where we will sum this. We will start with 0 and the average avg. It's also integer because he need it as integer value, so it's not initialized. And here we will compute the average. First, the sum equals sum plus pointer b. Or pointer b, okay? And here's the semicolon. Here we have the summation. After this loop, we will have the average. So we will compute the average equals sum divided by the size. The size here 63, which is size, okay? So divided by size and flat division. So it gives us integer value, not floating value or decimal value. And then we output cout this average avg and semicolon. Let's run here. Here we will it will output also the array itself. So run it. It give us some errors. The error is due to missing a semicolon in 20. Need to replace. And here we need this also. There is no flat division like Python, so we will replace it here, but it will give us now floating, so we can put integer here. I don't know if there is this function working here or not. And then 20, line 20, there is a semicolon, missed the semicolon or missing a semicolon. هنا في some error here. Here we will put comment, run. Now it's working. We solve it, okay? If there is any question, don't hesitate to ask us and I will reply you as soon as possible. Share this video with others. It's useful and have many benefits. and like the video if you like it. Thanks for watching.